Hi everyone, I am Gautam, I am physics faculty. Now I am going to explain a sum related to photoelectric effect. The concept is here photoelectric effect. So this photoelectric effect is related to what chapter? Means I can say it is dual nature of radiation and matter. Dual nature of radiation and matter chapter from plus 2 syllabus. So from this question in NEET 2020 we got this one. NEET 2020 we got this question, and here what happened in this one related to what topic? Photoelectric effect, and the chapter name is dual nature of radiation and matter. So photoelectric effect sum. How to handle this sum? Let us observe now. NEET 2020 problem. Let us observe now how to handle this. Let us see the question now clearly. What is the question? Light of frequency 1.5 times the threshold frequency. First they told light of frequency is 1.5 times the threshold frequency. So we know that frequency denoted by mu. We are denoting frequency with mu, and it is incident frequency is a 1.5 times the threshold frequency. This is the given information. Next, observe carefully. Here, what will be the photoelectric current? What will be the photoelectric current if the frequency is off and intensity is double? Generally, what we used to say means intensity is directly proportional to photoelectric effect. I represent capital I as intensity, and the small I as photocurrent. So, how they are related means they are related directly. So here in the question they told, what if you observe the question, they mention what will happen to the photoelectric current, frequency is off and intensity is double. Generally by observing this one, intensity is directly proportional to photocurrent. In question they told intensity doubled. As they are directly proportional, the answer generally the people will think immediately, yes, photocurrent is also doubled. They will be thinking, and they will be thinking the option will be what they are thinking now, all the students. Yes, option is second option. They'll put tick mark. But it is wrong. It is not a second option. Why? The reason you can observe here. Actually, the problem is intensity directly proportional to photocurrent. Is it wrong? No, it is correct. No doubt it is correct. If intensity is double, then current is also double. Is it wrong? No, it is correct. Then why option is wrong? The question is why option is wrong. So the option is wrong. The reason is, here the reason for option to be wrong is, they told that, here one point if you observe the question, what will be the photoelectric current if frequency is off, intensity is doubled? So simply we have observed intensity doubled and we are telling photocurrent is doubled, that became wrong. Here one more point, hidden point is frequency is off. So what does it affect? Frequency is off means, so what is the effect of that? So mu dash is nothing but, now the frequency became off of the incident frequency, that is mu by 2. Already I wrote mu is equal to, now the radiation frequency which you are incidenting, that radiation frequency became off of the previous one. Off of the previous one means what should I write? 1.5 by 2 into mu naught. That's nothing but 0.75 mu naught. So mu dash is equal to 0.75 mu naught. What is mu naught? Mu naught is called threshold frequency. Mu dash is 0.75 mu naught means, can I conclude mu dash is less than mu naught? So if incident frequency, what is mu dash? Incident frequency is mu dash. So now our incident frequency has been changed and it became off, and now mu naught is, what is mu naught means, you know, everyone know it as threshold frequency. But mu dash is less than mu naught, there is no photoelectric effect. There is no photoelectric effect. Mu dash is less than mu naught means simply no photoelectric effect. No photoelectric effect. The electrons cannot be emitted out. Electrons cannot come out. Electrons cannot be emitted. Electrons cannot be emitted. So when you are not able to emit the electrons, there is no question of current. Then how can you get the current? Electrons are not emitted. The current will be getting because of the electrons emitted from the metal, and there is no current because no electrons will emitted. Maybe intensity they double. Number of radiations incident per unit area per unit time is double. Intensity is double. But first of all, electrons are not coming out. Then there is no effect of the current. That means we can't say that any current is doubled or anything. When there is no current, then how can you say current is doubled? So, if I want to discuss about the photocurrent, no doubt for photocurrent, intensity is directly proportional to photocurrent is correct. This is correct option, no doubt. But this is valid when we have photoelectric effect. When we will have photoelectric effect, if incident frequency is greater than or equal to threshold frequency. So incident frequency must be greater also, because after coming out the electrons has to move. So incident frequency is greater than threshold frequency. Then the electrons coming out from the metal, they will be moving. Moving electrons produces what? Current. So we will get the current. So this formula is valid when our frequency is greater than mu naught. But here if you observe, this mu dash is less than mu naught. When there is mu dash is less than mu naught, no photoelectric effect only. Incident frequency is less than threshold frequency, nothing but no photoelectric effect. If there is no photoelectric effect, no electrons emitted, no current. So here, that means we can't say by intensity is directly proportional to current. No, sir, intensity is double, so current is double. If you say it is wrong. So my correct answer is now, what should I write? There is no current at all. There is no current at all. Why there is no current? What is the reason there is no current here? Yes, the reason there is no current here because of incident frequency is less than threshold frequency. Incident frequency is less than threshold frequency. So that is the question we got in NEET 2020 related to the photoelectric effect. I hope you are clear with this one.